alay ko nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling.
Di ko akalain ako ay binigyang pansin. Ang taong tulad ko'y di dapat mahalin.
Aking hinihintay ang iyong pagbabalik, Jesus. Ang makapiling mo'y kagalak ang lubos.
Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso't kaluluwa. Hindi makaya ng dapat na loob, mamahalin niyas, di pintong nilukod. Ang aking dalangin sana'y tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling.
I, the Lord of sea and sky, I have heard my people cry, all who dwell in dark and sin, my hand will save. I who made the stars of night, I will make their darkness bright. Who will bear my light to them? Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. Is it I, Lord? I have heard you calling in the night. I will go, Lord, if you lead me. I will hold your people in my heart. I, the Lord of wind and plain, I will tend the poor and lame. I will set a feast for them, my hand will save. Finest bread I will provide, till their hearts be satisfied. I will give my life to them whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord, is it